Hi all, welcome to another episode of BERKPerformance, and in this episode I will show you why we have created the best BMW M2 configuration. First of all, we have upgraded the exhaust system of this car with the Rado mid-pipe solution that we offer. So it's an equal length mid-pipe, but you can also opt for example, single mid-pipe. It really doesn't matter. It just changes the tone of the sound. Yes, me personally, I do like this one the most out of them, but you can choose whatever you want. Secondly, we have installed an external valve controller on the OEM valves to be able to open the exhaust flaps 100% open all the time, or just keep them variable as stock. As you can hear, they can be managed by this little thing here. So the third and the last thing that we did is maybe one of the most exciting ones for this car. We have flashed both the ECU and the TCU, so the transmission control unit and the engine control unit, with the BMW M2 CS software. What does that mean? This car was producing 460 horsepower when stock with 550 Newton meters of torque. Now it is producing 530 horsepower and 650 Newton meters. So that's a bump in, 70 horsepower, but also 100 Newton meters of torque more than stock. We have also disabled the OPFs, and for the transmission it just means it shifts so incredible crisp and fast, but it really changed the character of this car. I just forgot to disable the fake sound or the active sound coming from the speakers. So for these cars, the fake sound is being generated by downshifts, by upshifts, by burbles, by the generated load of the engine. So what you request as a driver from the car, it will generate a fake sound through the speakers. While we have more sound right now because the OPFs have been deleted, the mid-pipe has been changed with the one that I was mentioning, it is really wise to just disable that sound and it will just sound crisp and neat in the inside. So how does this drive? One word: perfect. Look at this, 650 Newton meters, 530 horsepower. You know, I drive the M2 myself as well as my daily. And I have a lot of power in that car. I mean, the platform can handle a lot of power, so absolutely no doubt about that. But to have this exhaust system on this car or another one. Oh, listen to the sound. This is the best sounding one. But to have this exhaust system in the car, OPFs removed, more power than stock, and still keep the factory warranty in place, it's just perfect. With regards to the factory warranty, you are going to absolutely destroy me in the comments saying that, yeah, you tuned this and you modified the car and you still have factory warranty, it's not possible. Listen, factory warranty by BMW is being checked by the software. So I'm talking about the software part. If they connect the car to the BMW diagnostics module, and if the signature of the car is not equivalent to the signature what it was before, then the factory warranty will be voided. You know, when they connect the car to the diagnostic system, they get like a check for tuning, the tuning detected, and that will mean that your car doesn't have factory warranty again. But since we're using OEM software and we know how to modify it properly, it will not give that warning anymore. So the software, the signature key, is in essence not changed. And that means that the factory warranty will still keep in place. If they're going to check the hardware on the car, so if you're going to, for example, fit another exhaust on this car, even if it's an Akrapovic or this one or whatever it is, it's a hardware part. That's something that we don't have any influence on. One dealer would say, no, don't do it because they want to make you scared. But if they connect the car to the diagnostics, they will not see anything has happened. And that means that the factory warranty will stay in place. And that's what we are selling here. The sound is amazing, but also the acceleration and the shifting is amazing. 530 horsepower. So actually, since the displays have also been changed according to the power numbers that this car was producing, you can see that, okay, let me just do it in third gear. Let's see from which RPM the 530 horsepower is. So let's floor it, fourth gear. There's a little bump. Yeah, okay, those wheel spin, so we cannot check it like that. Fourth gear again. 530. It hits 530 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and it revs until 7K. So for the last 1500 RPM, you have 530 horsepower. That's quite a lot. And before that, the 460, what this one is producing in stock form, is already hit before. But really, just a stable setup, good exhaust system, good power delivery, the perfect setup if you don't want to tune this car like with a custom map that we offer. Still, with a custom map with 800 Newton meters, 900 Newton meters, 700 Newton meters, you can decide it on yourself what you want. But I have my own preference because I know these cars, I drive these cars, I develop a lot on this platform. I know what kind of configuration I need to make that you will be happy with that one for your own car. And that's not only regarding BMW M2s or M3s, but regarding a lot of other vehicles as well. So yeah, this is the owner, by the way. He couldn't sleep for I think 1 week. Well, we finally helped him out, but he heard this one and he's now waiting in the shop. Really good guy. Thank you very much for coming to me. But you will enjoy this one for sure. And you already know it because we already did a test drive with this car. It is just amazing. Especially also my positives to Raro again, Emilio. Thank you for this exhaust system. It is a little bit hard to get right now when you're ordering it because it is really custom made. So it's not China mass produced or something like that. It is really custom made. And it just takes time to get this exhaust system on your car. You can order it, we need a prepayment of course, but other than that we will be installing this one. So thank you all very much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this one, but really on a personal note, this kind of cars, this kind of configurations, I really do like myself as well, and it's just I don't know what it's called, the golden boy or something like that. Well, it's just perfect. Lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, of course, because I know you like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.